Alright, so let's start out in display mode, outline for this one. Take a shape, do a circle, and where I click and where I end is just the ability to plop in a shape. And you can see if I keep my left mouse button down, this is all based upon where I clicked to begin with on how this is forming. In other words, when I skew it in the horizontal or skew it in the vertical, the change is based upon where I first clicked. Okay, delete that out. Now, this time, hold Shift. This time I can make this shape, and it's based upon the center. I get vertical and horizontal. Hold Control and Shift. Control and Shift allows you to draw in a circle, but have no ability, or at least a very snappish ability, to be able to go to, like, let's say an egg shape or an ellipse or a perfect circle. So it snaps to perfect circle versus ellipse versus ellipse vertical or horizontal. And Alt and Shift. It's a really free-form way of making the shape from the center. I don't use it very often, but it's highly sensitive. Okay, so now that we know the way to plop in things, it's very powerful to know that, because let's say you have a box right here and you wanted to make a circle in the box. Well, I could start out by knowing the beginning point, and knowing the end point. Okay, that's why you have to learn this. Now, if I wanted to choose to draw it from the center, I wouldn't know where the center was at unless I had something on in order to show the center of it. So when I use Control and Shift to make a box or a ball within the box, you'll notice that I have these things that are highlighting on. Handle to path, and it's appearing. So right now, just get the general feel of plopping in shapes based upon the Control and Shift and freeform, because it comes in handy. And then the next unit or next video, I'll show you snapping.